Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a quick video showing you guys how to do mini twists with no hair added. So we're just working with the client's natural hair. You want to start with freshly washed hair with no products in it. Products will be added later. I'm starting out with just sectioning her hair to create her parting and her parts. One of these days I am going to do a style with natural round parts. I feel like I've been doing a lot of bricklayer square parts lately, but yeah, with this style you can do either or. I'm using Shine and Jam to help me clean up my parts. I'm also using the Shine and Jam at the base of the hair or the root of it, as I started only and not throughout the hair. So as you can see, as I'm starting, I'm putting that Shine and Jam there at the root. I'm starting these out with doing a 3-strand braid, and the Shine and Jam is just to help keep the parting and that section, pretty neat. After I've braided down a little ways, I'm going to turn the 3 strands into just 2 strands and use some foaming mousse, apply that to the strands of the hair, and then begin to twist. And I'm making sure that I am really saturating the strands of the hair or the twist as I'm twisting it down, keeping the entire strand of the hair saturated in mousse all the way until I twist to the very ends. So if the mousse starts to dry up or I didn't have enough mousse to twist the strands all the way to the very ends, then I would just apply more mousse and continue twisting until I get it to the ends and it's fully saturated. And don't worry, I'm going to show you guys this again a little slower. So I'm starting out at the root with doing a 3-strand braid. And remember, if you're using Shine and Jam, you only want to apply the Shine and Jam at the base. You do not want to continue adding the Shine and Jam to the rest of the hair. So you're going to plait this down a bit of ways. And if you want your twist or your ending result to all look uniform, you can count how many times you're braiding or how many times you're plaiting and do that same amount for each section that you're doing. So once you get it down to where you want it, you take your 3 strands and split it into just 2 strands, and then you're going to immediately add in your foaming mousse. And again, you want to be generous with this, making sure that you are saturating the hair all the way through, and then just begin twisting and twist it all the way to the ends. Again, if your mousse starts to dry out and it's not saturated all the way through, you can then apply more mousse to that same strand and then continue to twist all the way down. I do want to mention that my client's natural hair pattern is 3B. So depending on your natural curl pattern, your twist may turn out different. This is the method that I used when I started my locks. The only difference is my lock sizing, the parting was much smaller, but I started out with a 3-strand braid and then turned it into twist. And my curl pattern is 4C, so the ending result was a little different. Now, once I'm completely done, I am spraying the hair with water and leave-in conditioner. That's when you want to add in your product, and this is the final result. But like I was saying with my hair, my curl pattern is 4C, so therefore my twist ended up coming out different than these twists, and I'm going to show you guys a side-by-side comparison. Both very beautiful, but I just wanted you guys to keep in mind that your curl pattern or your curl type can have an effect on how your curls or the twist will end up being as the final result. But these came out so pretty on my client. I loved it. Mini twists are a great style to do if you don't want to add any extensions to your hair. If you're looking for a style that is low tension, maybe you need to give your hair like a breather. If you're looking for something easy and quick, you can definitely do these parts bigger, or you can go smaller, just whatever your preference is. It's low maintenance, so if you don't want to have to wake up every morning and do something to your hair, this is a great style to try. And also, like I mentioned, it is a method that you can use to start locks. My client ended up coming back a couple days later. Shout out to her for doing that, just to show you guys what the twists look like after a while. Your twist can expand with your products that you're adding, like water, leave-in conditioner. They can expand and shrink. Again, this all depends on your natural hair texture. But thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you in my next one. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Be blessed, stay protected, stay filled with love and peace.